In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix minor issues and clear your cache on the StarMaker application. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the StarMaker application, but you are facing some issues, such as crashes or freezing, then the simplest way to fix this is to clear your application cache. Open up the application and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap on the Me icon at the bottom right, and from your profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now within this page, if you scroll down, you will see the Clear Cache option underneath General Settings. Go ahead and tap on this, and you can see the various different cache categories. You can individually clear all of these. If the cache is empty, then it is not really necessary. Tap on the Clear button alongside the filled cache, and then press the Delete button to confirm. This will now clear all of your cache. If you are not logged into your account, then you can long press on the StarMaker application and tap on App Info. From here, just navigate to the Storage Settings, and you will find the Clear Cache option here as well. Just press on this button, and now you can go back to enjoying the StarMaker application without any issues. So there you have it. That is how you can clear the cache and solve minor issues on the StarMaker app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.